Hey, this is Austin and we are looking at the Mystique Grand in Nocatee in the new Del Webb. We'll just do a little one take run through this house here so we can see what it's all about. I like this elevation with this front porch is really nice. So the Mystique can be 2,700 to 2,900 square feet, depending if you put the upstairs loft on. This one does have the loft, which is nice, so we'll get a chance to go upstairs and take a look at the upstairs. So coming in the front door right to the left, we've got a full bath with a bedroom right here. And right outside the bedroom, we have the little coat closet here for all your winter coats here in Florida. It's the garage entrance here, where they're all decked out with, look at that. It's where they're storing all their golf carts. Ooh, and going around under the stairs here, we've got even more storage. Water softener loop, hot water heater. So again, from the front door, turning to the right, you've got that bedroom. I'm sorry, you got that closet, the garage, and your laundry room. And then coming to the left here, you've got this office right here with French doors. Into the living room space. And the kitchen opens into the living room. All right, we got the master bedroom. There's a super shower in here. 2 bowls. Shower. Linen closet. Commode and the master closet. Now let's run upstairs to the loft. The loft actually, the upstairs has a loft, and then another bedroom and bathroom upstairs as well. Hello. Let's go up the stairs. It's really big up here. Look at all this extra space. Your full bath. Ooh, mechanical room with a ton of storage in here. We don't have basements here, so it's nice to have the extra storage. And then here another bedroom with a walk-in closet. This is the Mystique here in Nocatee in the new Del Webb. Look forward to checking out the next one.